Brain. Human brain is contained in skull. It has three major parts. I. The cereberum ot bigger brain. 2. The cerebellum or smaller brain. 3. Medulla oblongata or hind brain. The cereberum constitutes the major volume of brain. It consists of two large masses of nervous material known as cerebral hemispheres. Human consciousness, thought, emotions, sight, will, hearing, sensation of pain, memory, and speech are centered in the cerebellum. Some parts of it also control motor nerves, operating the arms and legs. The cerebellum or the smaller brain is related with the coordination of action of nerves and muscles. In this way movements of body are managed. Medulla or hind brain contains the centers for reflex actions in addition to automatic movements such as breathing and walking. 113.